What's up guys? Another day, another laag. So nami karon sa Cagayan
The Oro City, the city of smile. Ay, Rome.
Let's go. So our first going for today is asa kita guys sa Chino's Deli. So this is our first time diri sa Cagayan sa among team laagan. So atong i-check
I-check diha.
i-check diha.
I-check.
Disclaimer atong i-check diha. So atong i-check karon kung kay kami guys food trip gid mo ang kuan. Mo ang trip karon. So in 3, 2, 1, let's go.
The way to Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Yeah. And we're here. This is the boundary for Malaysia. We're going to the
So niabot na jud mi guys. Let's go. Accountant HR and our Thailander. Now sila yung hangover meal. Tapos sila yung private dining. Kung gusto mo kabulan doha. Okay guys, so according sa reviews, nakita daw na mo nadagat silang serving dire din. Let's watch out. Pati service water nila dire guys is kakaiba. Gilbis pa more. Let's go. Mga team laaga, mga team kalaag. Murag mao na mo ang order. So excited sa iyang kadaghanon sa iyang serving. Let's go. Oh, unsa ni siya, ma'am? Wow! As you can see, mga kalaagan. Farmers. Mga guys. What's the name, ha?
Mango Chef.
Mango Chef. Oh. Kani, what's this?
Pork belly.
Pork belly. So as you can see mga kalaag, dagko kailang serving buyag. Good for sharing na siya, worth the price. Ano sa pod ni?
Sinasang bacon, sausage,
Wow! So mga kalaag, dagko kayo buyag yung service. So, worth the timing for sure. Kalaagan, so namin karon sa mong portion. Sa ako na mong pag-rate na mong ikaw karon. So, sa mong lima, ako ang mag-sugot. So, akong rating, makita ninyo, akong food, akong rating. Next. So Moto nag-sum up sa mong rating for this first hideout. So our next trip is, asa kita next trip? Team Kitkay Mall. So first time na mo together mga team Karaagan. See you in a bit!